face all bright, and he says in a little while you'll be all right. All he gives is a humbug pill, a dose of dope, and a great big bill. Tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and me and my old school pals had some mighty high times down here. And what happened to you poor black folks? Well, it just ain't fair. He took a look around, gave a little pep talk, said I'm with you, then he took a little walk. Tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and live? There's bodies floating on canal and the levee's gone to hell. Martha, get me my 16 gauge and some dry shells. Them who's got out of town, and them who ain't got left to drown. Tell me, how can a poor man stand such times and scattered from Texas all the way to Baltimore. Yeah, and I ain't got no home in this world no more. Gonna be a judgment, that's a fact. A righteous train rolling down this track. Tell me,